And I hear a lot on Facebook about how your grandparents and your parents did it, and you do it the same way. They water bath everything. I totally get that, you guys. My family in Italy, when they made sauce, all they did was they made the sauce. They pureed the tomatoes. They put the cold tomatoes into jars. They put the jars in a hot water bath, and they put a blanket over it. Or they pureed the tomatoes, cooked the tomatoes, and then put that into the hot jars, and the jars sealed. Well, of course the jars are sealing. Everybody thinks you need to, if your jar seals, that you're safe. That's not always the case. Your jars are going to seal. If you guys want to do an experiment, next time you make soup or something like that, put it in a canning jar, the hot soup. Put a lid on it, put a ring on it. And you tell me if in a couple hours that jar doesn't seal. It's going to seal. The heat from the food is going to seal the jar. That doesn't mean it's safe to eat and leave on your pantry. It's safe to put in your refrigerator, certainly. But in order to process correctly, you need to pressure can it. I know there's countries that don't have a pressure canner. There are ways to water bath foods, low acid foods. I don't teach that on my channel.